Conventional wisdom says adopting healthy lifestyle changes, like cleaning up your diet, spending more time in the gym, and going to sleep a few hours earlier, will help you lose weight. Because doing something is better than doing nothing. In today's video we will compile 10 most common habits that may be keeping a person from losing that weight. 1. Sleeping poorly. You need adequate amounts of sleep that helps to keep your hunger hormones in check. When you're sleep deprived, your hormones will change and cause an increase in appetite. To get more sleep, try going to bed at the same time every night. And get up at the same time every morning, even on weekends. A routine can help to prepare your brain for sleep. 2. Eating before going to bed. Eating a full meal late at night right before going to bed can be harmful, as it can cause heartburn, weight gain, and may disrupt sleep. Your last large meal should be 3 hours before bedtime. However, going to bed hungry can also disrupt sleep. If you feel you must eat something, select a piece of fruit. 3. Stress and anxiety. People who suffer from depression, anxiety are more likely to gain weight over time and become obese. When we experience these feelings, we are confronted with emotional eating. Emotional eating leads you to eating too much, especially too much of high-calorie, sweet and fatty foods. 4. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. After the long night rest, our body needs proper nutrition to start the day with energy and keep its metabolism active. It is always advised to have a proper protein-rich breakfast that can keep you active the whole day. By skipping this important meal of the day, you will have unhealthy food craving the whole day that will make you eat more and you tend to consume more calories. So, have your breakfast daily if you want and avoid further weight gain. 5. Drinking less water. Water keeps our body hydrated and improves metabolism. It also helps in draining out toxins from our body and keeps us fresh. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily to keep yourself full, hydrated, and avoid weight gain. 6. Being sedentary. A perfect body figure is the result of a good diet and staying active, according to the World Health Organization. 60 to 85% of the population worldwide does not engage in enough activity. This is one of the major factors in the global epidemic of obesity. Going for at least 3 30-minute runs and doing 2 30-minute sessions of strength training exercises per week would be sufficient to meet the minimum physical activity guidelines. 7. Eating quickly. Many research studies have shown that eating too quickly can cause weight gain and other health issues. When you eat too fast, you probably don't have any idea of what or how much you've eaten. It is said that when people eat fast they tend not to feel full, and are more likely to overeat, which is bad for your weight. So, take your time and chew your meals thoroughly in order to stay fit and healthy. 8. Eating while distracted. It's important to pay attention to your food while you're eating. That's because when you're distracted by your phone or any other activities, you're not fully experiencing your food or fullness. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition conducted a study that revealed result in a person eating 50% more calories.
9. Excessive salt. Eating a lot of salt can cause your body to retain more water and increase blood pressure. Our kidneys have trouble keeping up excess sodium in bloodstream. If flavor is what you are looking for, try another ways to spice up your meal. 10. Consuming sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soft drinks, which contain a high amount of added sugar or other artificial sweeteners, are the major contributor to the obesity epidemic in the world. People who consume sugary drinks do not feel full when compared with the same amount of calories consumed in the form of solids. Try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day instead. Consuming water helps flush away body toxins and maintain your body weight.